Okay, so today we are going to go over a couple different things to prepare for the summer unit design. The first of which is just to sign into your Sanger USD account. There's a more extensive tutorial that you can check out, but we'll go over it a little bit today. And then again, there's those steps to complete the tasks in order to prepare for the summer unit design and get the unit templates ready. All of you should have received this step-by-step guide. These are the exact steps that we're going to go over today, so the video just will help illustrate what we're doing. Feel free to follow along with this or use the video or a combination. Okay, so let's go into our Google account. So you will have to use your @SangerUSD account, and how to sign into that again is just your first name, last name @SangerUSD.net. The original password that was given out was the letters GA, the number 4, staff, and sign in. That password will be different if you've already changed that. This is just the home page, but we want to go into our drive. So find the apps up here in the top upper right hand corner and choose drive. And this may or may not be empty depending on what you've already done, this original My Drive folder. We're going to actually create a folder first that we will use towards the end of this tutorial. But for right now, in your drive, click Create and then Folder. And with this folder, you're going to name it by whatever grade level you are assigned the leader. So I'm going to put grade 3 and ELA summer units. So now I've created this folder. At the end, we're going to store all of the units that we've created into this folder and use this folder to share out. But for now, what I would like for you to do is to click on your Shared With Me folder. It's right underneath your own drive, so click Shared With Me, and you should have this unit template master document that was shared out by Michelle Carr. Click on that to open it up. This is the template that we'll be using. Right now, we cannot type in this template. This is view only, it says right up here, so we can't make changes on this template. What we are going to do is make a copy of this template so that we are able to make changes on it. So click File, then Make a Copy. And when you name the copy of this document, you're going to want to name it with the topic and the grade level. So for instance, if there is a group of 3 to 4 teachers in your ELA who are doing insects, you're going to name it Insects Grade 3. And so up here we have now the original unit template, which we are not allowed to type on, and then this template, which we can. With this template, you're going to want to make some changes. So for example, you could name it Insects. You could type in the names of the teachers who are participating in this particular unit topic. Type in the subject, the grade level, whether you think it's fall science. And this is important to note, it's just a baseline. We will be using and working from this template during the unit design, so do not feel like you have to have everything included here, but you may want to include some writing or reading and language and all of these ELA Common Core standards that might be addressed during this unit. But again, this is a baseline that we'll work with from the unit, or work from during the unit design, so do not feel like you have to have it all filled in. The bottom here you will not be working on now. This will be done during the unit design, so don't worry about the following couple pages. Now in here I have one copy, but I want more than one copy, and if we click right over here on these lines, it'll change to Open Google Drive. So we can go back to our Google Drive and now see in our drive that we have our original folder and then the Insects Grade 3, but I probably have more than one group, so I'm going to have to go back to the Shared With Me, click on the Unit Template Master, and repeat those same steps in order to make a copy and rename it. So maybe I'm talking about Our Community, and it's a social studies, grade 3. And again, you would, with this new unit, or with this new topic, fill in all of these details. I'm not going to go through all of that now. I am going to go back to my drive and show you, after you have one document for each of the topics, what you're going to want to do is go back to the drive, your own drive, not the Shared With Me, but your drive, and click on those topics, just the little checkbox next to them, and drag them, and you just drag and drop, and you can see that it's showing that I'm going to move those 2 items into this grade level folder. So now it's more organized, it's all in this grade level folder. And what the benefit of this is instead of having to share each individual document, we're only going to share this folder, and then because of that, everything that's included in the folder will also get shared. So if you go back to my drive, you should only see this folder now. If you click on the folder, and then there's a little share button, it's a little person with a plus sign. If you click on that and you're going to click to share the folder, right now only we can access it, but we're going to invite other people. So down here where it says invite people, you're going to click there and then type in the following names. So I'm going to do Kathy T. Glass and all of those other names, and for the sake of time I'm just going to do Kathy's right now. You can choose to notify them by email and also just say this is grade 3 Sanger unit design and then send. It's going to ask you, because Kathy Glass is not under the @sangerusd.net domain, if you want to do that, just click yes, I am sure. For the sake of this, I'm going to click on no so that she does not get this halfway figured out version, but you would click yes. And then after that is said and done, you're just going to click done, and below here will be the list of all the people, so Michelle, Thomas, Adela, Kathy Glass, and myself, Katie, and then all of the teachers in your group using their @sangerusd.net accounts. And from there, they will have access on it, and you can work on it using the guide that Michelle and Thomas have given you, and you'll be great. Thank you so much. And let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at katie_galt at either sangerusd.net or at sanger.k12.ca.us. Thanks.